dusty road I'm driving.
To Namo Restaurant in Dawis Street, Panglao, Bohol. Punta kayo rito, nag-open sila ng 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pwede na mag-coffee after 8. Dito, pwede kang mag-order ng coffee. Gilbert Travel Vlog. Ibibigay ko sa'yo. Yan. Tapos ito yung, ayan, invite mo sila.
Hi guys! Punta kayo dito sa Namo.
Ang Namo Restaurant nag-open ng 8 a.m. hanggang 8 p.m. Marami silang food choice. Ayan. Welcome to Namo Restaurant sa Dawis Street, Panglao Island. Madami kang mabibili dito. Pero nagustuhan ko dito itong mosaic na to. Grabe.
I keep holding on. Every turn brings me closer to home. With your love shining like a distant star, I'm bound to find where you are. Though the distance keeps us apart,